Let's go see. Come on. Let's go see. Oh, are all the lights off? What the heck? No. Do you see some eggs?
Oh, they're eggs. I think this really did come. These really did come, huh? Look, he left you a basket.
Look,
Chicken
look,
roast,
look.
go fucking bed.
Look at the baskets.
Peace out.
What?
What'd you get? The Easter Bunny left that for you? Oh my gosh. Did the Easter Bunny leave that for you?
Yeah.
You want me to open it for you? You look cold. Are you cold?
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's open this. I think you better find some eggs. There's eggs everywhere.
Look at that one.
They're all over the place.
Yeah.
That was a big.
What? What?
Wow.
Everywhere. So more.
Look in the shoes. What the heck? They are everywhere. Tracy, look in the shoes.
Oh my gosh.
What the heck?
Huh? What are you thinking about?
Are you guys gonna stay out there?
No, we'll come back in a minute. You want to come out for a second, sweetie?
I'm so tired.
Yeah. You can go lay down. We'll be right in there.
I'm fucking eating like a cow. Are you happy?
Yeah.
Is that what you asked Buzz Lightyear for?
What?
Okay.
Ashley got a basket too.
Mm-hmm.
Look at this. Oh no, this is.
Look at you, baby.
This is your basket. I forgot. Look. Oh, look what you got. A ball. And two. Oh, those are cool.
Those things are shit.
SpongeBob.
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 And a baby lollipop. Nice.
Nice.
This one is a stick. SpongeBob.
Yeah.
Chasey, what do you say to the Easter Bunny?
Thank you.
Thank you. That's a good one. Look at the camera. Say Happy Easter, YouTube. Say it.
I don't want
You don't want to?
Say oh.
to. And that's why I already said it.
There's eggs everywhere, Chasey. Do you see?